Hi children, welcome back to the Max video. So I'm here again back for you with another word problem which is from exercise 3.3. So third Roman number, sixth problem. Yes. So there's a problem, word problem related to ages. So many of you are confused how to take these into variables and solve them to find the ages of the given thing. Yes. So let us read the question from here. 5 years hence. So please underline that. That's a very important thing. Hence in the sense that means from 5 years from now. That means in the future. Okay. So there are only two languages which are used for age problems. That is hence and ago. Ago means past age. Hence means future age. Okay. That means hence. 5 years hence. The age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. So there's a full stop here. So let me first analyze the first sentence. 5 years from hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. That means there is a relation that here there are two variables. Who? Jacob's son and Jacob. Yes. So first and foremost you should identify that Jacob's son, Jacob's age and Jacob's son. Yes, there are two things which are here. Jacob's son. There are two things. Now first give them a variable. First give them the variable. Let Jacob's age will be X years. Because that's a number. No? We measure it in years. So Jacob's son will be Y years. Okay. Let them be in two variables. Now after, what is this X and Y? Present age. That you should understand. This is nothing but the present age, children. This is the present age. After writing, giving the variables, you first go to the first statement. 5 years hence, the age of the Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. So 5 years hence. So you write that one. 5 years hence. So children, usually I have a small question for you before writing the statement. 5 years hence. See, suppose you are 13 years age. You are at present 13 years. So after 5 years, what is your age? Yes, 18 years. So you won't go small, no? You won't go backward. We are not counting our age in the backward direction. We are counting our age in the forward direction right from the birth. Yes. So that what you have to remember, children. So at present the age is X means 5 years after Jacob's age will be X plus 5. X plus 5. And Jacob's son's age will be, both will change, no, only one won't change. See, in the home, if your father's age is increasing, your mother's age is increasing, it doesn't mean that you are not increasing in age. Every human will increase according to the number. Okay, so everybody, that means hence they told in the sense, if Jacob's age is increasing, the son's age will also increase. Yes. So X plus 5 and Y plus 5. Now read the condition. 5 years hence. So after 5 years I got the ages. Now the age of Jacob. Age of Jacob is nothing but X plus 5 will be is equals to 3 times that of his son. So 3 times. Times means into, children. 3 times that of his son. So I hope I am clear for you for the statement. Jacob, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. Okay, Jacob's age is equals to 3 times. Now find out the value. X plus 5 is equals to 3y plus 3 5s are 15. X minus 3y. Bring that to this side and is equals to 15 minus 5. That means X minus 3y is equals to 10. Let this be equation number 1. Is that clear, children, all of you? So from the first statement we got an equation in terms of X and Y. Okay. Now let us find the second thing, like what is for the next. 5 years ago. Oh, the second condition is ago. That means in the past. That means now you should write that also. 5 years ago. So everything you compare with the present age only, children. Okay. So if they say hence, you will compare it from the present age. That means present age plus those many years. If they say ago, present age minus that one. So 5 years ago. Now see, Jacob's age is x minus 5 years and Jacob's son's age is y minus 5 years. Yes or no? Yes. And they told Jacob's age, then it seems that means 5 years ago. Jacob's age is x minus 5 was 7, because y was is given, you can understand that it's a past tense. Previously done. Here also see present tense will be. Yes. So 7 times that of his son. So son's age is this one. So x minus 5 is equals to 7y minus 35, where x minus 7y is equals to minus 35 plus 5 children. X minus 7y is equals to minus 30, or x minus 7y plus 30 is equals to 0. Let this be equation number 2. Yes. See, we have now found the two equations. That means the first equation with the first statement and the second equation with the second statement. Now, if you add, that means the sum is not yet over here, children. Okay, so I need to take some space here. So, solving of the equation. That means you should solve the equation. How to solve the equation? If any method is given, that means if substitution method is given, elimination method is given, you can use them. Okay, whatever method. Or if it is not mentioned, you can do the problem in any method, whatever you like. So let me take the equations. X minus 3y minus 10. Write it together. Minus 10 equals to 0. Let it be equation number 1. And equation number 2 is x minus 7y plus 30 is equals to 0. Let this be equation number 2. Now, what I want to do is, I want to add both the first and the second equations. Why should I add the both first and second equations? Should I add or should I subtract? Yes, I should subtract. Yes, you cannot add. But why we are taking it either for addition and subtraction? Because the coefficient of one of the variable is the same. Because you can just eliminate that. Yes or no? Yes. So you can eliminate that. Or you can take it in the substitution way of method also, children. As this is from substitution method, we'll do it. Shall we do it in the substitution method? Yes, children. Substitution method. Why? Because the exercise actually given 3.3 is related to substitution method. So let us do in the substitution method only. So then x is equals to 10 plus 3y. This statement I have taken from equation number 1. X is equal. So substitute means no? You should substitute the value of a variable. Okay, substitute. That means x is equals to make all the other things other side. And then substitute in the second equation. So x minus 7y plus 30 is equals to 0. Now substitute the value of x here. 10 plus 3y minus 7y plus 30 is equals to 0. Find out the two common, that means like variables in order to solve them. So plus 3 and minus 5, minus 7. So it becomes minus 4y. Why? Because 7 minus 3 is 4. Bigger number is having negative, so negative, and the common variable y. Now this is also in the addition and this is also under addition. So like 10 plus thing, it becomes 40. 40 is equals to 0. Okay, so minus 4y plus 40 equals to 0. Now, because this is negative, let me take this only to the other side. That is 40 is equals to 4y. And y is equals to 40 by 4, which is nothing but 10. So, the value of y is nothing but 10. Okay, the value of y is nothing but 10. But what is this value of y? From where did we take this value of y? How did we take the value of y? Value of y is nothing but Jacob's son's present age, at present age, because x and y are taken as present ages. Yes or no? So this is at present age. Now when they take at present age, you should be able, they asked us the same thing. What are their present ages? That means you should directly find out only x and y. Don't need to find any other things. The other things are just the conditions, children, in order to create a problem. That's all. So 5. So y is equals to 10. After finding y is equals to 10, substitute in the equation 1, that is x is equals to 10 plus 3y, where 10 plus 3 into 10. So 10 plus 30, that is equals to 40. That means, therefore, Jacob's present age is equals to 40 years, and Jacob's son's son present age is how much? 10 years. Yes, but see, now we have found what they have asked us. But how to verify such kind of problems? You should be able to know how to verify such kind of problems, children. Why? Because see, 5 years hence. So present age of Jacob is 40. 5 years after, what it will be? 45. Okay, that you remember. 45. So that 45 is equals to 3 times of the son age is 10. 5 years after, how much it will be? 15. So 3 times of 15 is also 45. So that means according to the condition it is solved. Yes or no? And take for example the second condition. Jacob's 5 years ago in the sense, again you will take it as 40, no? 40 minus 5, that is 35. Yes or no? 35. So 35 is equals to 7 times of. So if you take 5 years ago, 10 minus 5. So 7 times of 5, that is nothing but 35. So both are equated. That means my answer is right and it is verified according to the conditions given here. Yes or no? So I hope this is clear for you. But really I felt a little this thing. Why? Because initially I have started the problem and I need to erase the problem because as this is a long problem. Okay. So I hope you can understand. Please, when you are copying it, please pause it at the stage where I am about to rub and copy down the problem and then continue with this. Is that clear, children? Thank you for watching me. Please share, like and subscribe.